I curled my hair, I hot curled it, and then I used these awesome rollers. And we've all seen them. They're so iconic. They've literally been all over the internet. And common sense recently told me that beyond shampoo and conditioner, right, different hair likes different things. I took it as far as buying specific products to wash my wigs, but I wasn't really like studying the hair like I did my own texture, right? And trying to figure out what really works for the hair. So that's something I've been diving into with the help of, you know, social media and following people who are doing wonderful things to their hair to get that celebrity kind of like Tresemme look. And now I have it. To kind of show you how I take them out, I left a few in just to show you for dramatic effect. And these clips are gonna be really good friends of yours just to kind of keep them still. So let's get this hair right so you can kind of see the body, the curl, the bounce. And I just think that makes it look better styled. And you're kind of focusing on maybe other things other than my lace, which is also laid. Don't play with me. So something that I've been using that helps give me that like Dominican blowout result is there's this wonderful like blowout spray. So I found this at Ulta and I fell in love with this brand called Redken. I even have a shampoo and conditioner from them. Love it. This is really good for blow drying your hair. It's gonna be a heat protector. It's gonna coat your hair just from just the high heat. You don't want damage. You wanna have the hair maybe for 2 to 3 years and not 1 to 2 years. You can really change the longevity of your wig with this. Also, this is the newest edition. They're literally right next to each other when I've purchased them. And I didn't think I needed this one because they're both heat protectors. I was wrong. Hello, I was wrong. This thermal spray, now if you're gonna do another set of heat, as in like a flat iron after you blow dry, or you're gonna do like curls, do the curling iron after you blow dry, use this. It'll take your breath away. Both of these products smell amazing. They're gonna leave your hair feeling effortless. You're gonna try to like breathe, but you can't. You're gagging because you can't believe you just did that. It's flawless, it's frizzless, it's shiny, it feels like a new wig, actually. It feels like new hair. I've literally had this hair maybe for like 6 to 8 months now. It's all a blur because it's growing out of my scalp. It's mine. I've always had this hair. But it adds this like weight to it and it gives it so much body that the curls really stay put. The combination is undefeated. These Velcro rollers with a good heat protector. I don't even use any hairspray. That's how good this additional product is. This took my hair to the next level. That's pretty much all I have for right now, girl. Thanks for watching.